I'm Tim, the sales and marketing manager here at Kapp Alloy and Wire. We are a solder and babbitt supplier. So most of our products are for, an industrial process for repairing, large roller bearings in machines, soldering capacitors, and anything for the electronics industry. But that being said, we also have an online store for the everyday consumer. This store has, everything you need from babbitt to replace, large bearings to, wire to solder a circuit board on your computer at home. So we've been selling on Magento for a few years now. Actually, before I started, we've been, legacy users of Magento. And what I noticed is we had about a 30%, of people who filled a cart on our site actually went through with the purchase. So that was our largest pain point. Was we had all of this website traffic, and people were leaving. People were filling the cart up. They get to the checkout screen, and as I can honestly say, before we started using Bold, it was kind of a bear to fill out. You have to fill out all your shipping and billing information and your shipping method, and it was a little bit too much. So we looked into Fastlane. I want to say a year ago. I had done some online shopping and seen it in service there. Thought it was cool, and then after a very, very quick analysis of the situation, we decided that we wanted to use Bold Commerce for the Fastlane features to hopefully increase our cart sales and conversions. Now with just a few clicks, you can go from the cart stage to checkout and shipped, to your door, and we hope to see a huge increase in sales because of this. And it was actually relatively pain-free to install for us. There's, as a team of developers who helped me with every question I had. Scheduling meetings to get, this up and running was easy. There was always clear communication, and there are things that we needed to do were clear and concise. And when it came to actually installing and setting it up, Ronnie, who helped us, as well as a developer, were there to answer any questions I had and to get it completely set up the way we wanted it to. So we're excited to use Bold, and we hope our customers will benefit from having a even better checkout process, and will benefit from being able to retain some of these customers who get on the site and leave.